Hello and welcome, my dear grade 8 elite students, to my channel Mathematics Made Easy. Today's video is made on the special request of my grade 8 elite girls. So this video is on important math questions for quiz from module 2. So stay glued to the channel and we'll be covering 10 important questions so that you get to know your errors that you have made in the quiz and you can correct them inshallah. So let's begin. Let's solve these equations one by one. So there are four equations given. You have to match it to the correct solution. So the first equation, negative x plus 3 is equal to negative 2. Here the coefficient of x is negative. So we will move it on the other side so that it becomes positive and we'll collect the like term. So I will move the negative 2 on the other side. So it becomes 3 plus 2, sign changes, and this x goes here. So it becomes positive. So x is equal to 5 is the solution of the first equation. Next equation, x plus 3 is equal to minus 2. This is very easy. You will move 3 on the other side. So x equal to minus 2 minus 3, which is minus 5. So x equal to minus 5 is the solution of this equation. Next is minus x plus 3 is equal to 2. X has negative sign, so we are going to make it positive, move it here, 2 will be moved here. So 3 minus 2 is equal to x, or x is equal to 1 is the solution for this equation. Now x plus 3 is equal to 2 is very easy. 3 will move on the other side. So x is equal to 2 minus 3, sign is changed and it is minus 1. So x equal to minus 1 is the solution of this last equation. That's how you solve question 1 and match the correct answer. Now we are going to solve this equation. It is very simple. 0.2w is equal to 3.2. So divide both sides by 0.2. When you divide both sides by 0.2, w is equal to 32 divided by 2, which is 16. So the solution, the value of w is 16. The decimal goes away. So this and this is removed. Let's solve this equation. Here you see the decimal with the multiplication of x, 0.8x plus 3 is equal to 9. You have to solve for x and round off to the nearest decimal, that is 1 decimal place. So here you'll put 0.8x is equal to 9 minus 3, which is 6. Now 0.8x is 6, so you will divide both sides with 0.8 to get your value of x. 0.8 and 0.8 is khalas, so x is equal to 6 divided by 0.8, which is 7.5. So the answer is 7.5 here. Now let's solve this equation. This question has more than one answer. You have to select all the equations that are equivalent to this solution. So first of all, we have to collect the like terms. So the like term are the numbers. We move it on the other side. So 3x is equal to minus 6 minus 15. If you see the option, none of the option is right now matching. So we will simplify. This becomes minus 21. So definitely B is one of the correct answers. Now you divide by 3 both sides. So x is equal to minus 7. So this is the second correct answer. So these are the two correct answers for this question. Other options are given to confuse you. They are not the right answer. Okay, now we'll solve this question. Since you see brackets, you have to apply distributive property. So you multiply 3 with x to get 3x, 3 with 5 to get negative 15, which is equal to 6x plus 12. Now this is from the lesson where you have variable on both sides. So you will collect this, move it here and collect 12 on the other side. So this is 6x minus 3x, sign changes of 3x, 12 moves here, so sign changes of 12 also. So what is it that you get? If you see the option, when you open, this option matches, when you did the first step, this option matches E, so E is definitely one of the answer. And if you see here, this is minus 27 is equal to 3x. If you see the option, there is no option which matches this, so now you divide by 3. So x is equal to minus 9 is the answer. So this is also another option. So the two correct solutions of this question are the following. Now let's solve this question. Again, you see brackets, so you are going to use distributive property. So distribute over the bracket. So 3 multiplied with 2 is 6x. 3 multiplied with 5 is 15. A multiplied with this is ax plus 2x plus b. Now you need to find a and b. So this is an identity, means it is true for all values. So what you'll do is 6x plus 15 you will keep as it is. You will combine these two like a plus 2x and this one as b. Now if you compare this equation, 6x is equal to a plus 2x, so 6 is equal to a plus 2 because coefficient of x will be same, so 6 will be equal to a plus 2 and 15 will be equal to b. So value of b is 15 and value of a is 6 minus 2, which is 4. So the answer here, correct value of A is 4 and B is 15. Let's do the next question. Here it is an absolute value equation. So you can write 7 minus absolute value of 2x plus 3 is equal to 2 as you move the absolute value on the other side. So 7 minus 2 is equal to absolute value of 2x plus 3, or absolute value of 2x plus 3 is equal to 5. Now for absolute value there are two cases. Case 1, absolute value is positive. Case 2, absolute value 2x plus 3 is negative. Let's solve both of them. So 2x is equal to 5 minus 3, or 2x equal to 2, so x is 1, that's one solution. And 2x plus 3 is equal to minus 5. So 2x equal to minus 5 minus 3, which is minus 8. So divide by 2, x is minus 4. So there are two solutions. You have to select all the correct option. So 1 and minus 4. Two answers. Okay, now this question you see division here, so definitely you are going to do cross multiplication. When you do cross multiplication, you get 6 multiplied with x plus 1 is equal to 10 multiplied with x minus 1. So now apply the distributive property, multiply term wise, so this is 6x plus 6 is equal to 10x minus 10. Now collect the like terms, so I will move 6x here and I will move 10 here. So 6 plus 10, the sign changes, becomes 10x minus 6x. So this is 4x equal to 16. So divide by 4 both sides, x is equal to 4 is the solution. So the answer will be 4 here. So we just use cross multiplication and distributive property to solve this proportion. Another question on cross multiplication, we are going to multiply both the sides. So 8 multiplied with 2r is equal to 5 multiplied with 2r minus 3. Multiply, so this is 16r equal to 5 2s are 10r minus 15, because 5 multiplied with 3 is 15. Now you move 15 to the other side and 16 here. So 10r minus 16r. So this is minus 6r equal to 15. Now you have to divide both sides by 6. So r is equal to negative 15 over 6. You can convert this to decimal also. So in decimal notation, the value of this would be negative 2.5. So the value of r is negative 2.5 here. Let's do the last question for today, which is this question. You have to solve this equation for y. Select all that apply. So there can be more than one answer. So let's write the equation. The equation is x divided by 2 plus y divided by 3 is equal to 1 by 6. So we need to find the value of y. So y divided by 3 is equal to 1 by 6 minus x divided by 2. Now you can take here LCM. So if you take LCM, this is 1 minus 3x, which is equal to y divided by 3. Now you move y to the other side. Sorry, this 3 to the other side. So it becomes 3 times 1 minus this times x. Now cancel the term which is common. So this is 1 minus 3x by 2. So one answer which is correct is definitely C. Let's see for the other answer. Okay, A is also correct answer because you can write this same thing as 3x minus 1 over minus 2. So same solution. And you can also write the same question in the way of decimal in this form. So y is equal to negative 1.5x plus 0.5. This is also a correct solution. So there are three correct solutions for this question. That brings us to the end of today's session. We have covered 10 important multiple choice questions from module 2. So if you found the video useful, give it a big thumbs up. Write your questions and queries in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you've subscribed and not pressed the bell icon, please do so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Until then, this is Ms. Ruchika signing off from today's session. See you in my next video. Bye girls.